Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can rotate images in Google Sheets. So in here, if you want to add image into the Google Sheets, you can go to insert and find image option, and here I'm going to go with overcells. Just browse the image that you want to add. For example, I'm going to add this one's right here. You can tap on open and the image will be open like this, and as you guys can see here, there is no rotate option. So when you click on the three dots icon, also there is no rotate in here. So what you need to do is just copy this image. Just click on Ctrl+C on your keyboard, and then go to insert again and find the drawing options. Tap on drawing. Now just paste the image in here like this, and to easily rotate it, you can just here click on this dot at the top and just do it so you can just drag and tap and hold to rotate the image just like this. And after that, you can just tap on save and close, and the rotated image will be added. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.